We're at the tallest Christmas market in Germany, and I'm going to show you how to get up there. We're here in front of the courtyard of Konstablerwache, and this is where you go. I'm Joe Ader from Frankfurt on foot. Let's go see this Christmas market. So you have to come down here and wait for the elevator to take you up to the 5th floor. We'll turn this off till we get up to the top. So, to get up here, you just go up these steps here. This is not handicapped accessible. So unfortunately, you can't come up here with your stroller or a wheelchair. Let's take a little peek at our gorgeous sky. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Downtown Frankfurt is gorgeous. It's a dome. Let's go on up here. So in the summertime, this is a little beach. Let's see what they got over here. Should do a little round through here. So my husband was up here last Friday night. He said it was really, really crowded. But tonight it's just Wednesday, so let's go take a peek through here. It's definitely the Christmas market with the best view. Lots of Glühwein everywhere. Flammkuchen. Looks like it's a little bit foggy tonight. Not here. The city. These are the bathrooms back here. So this has been going on for quite a few years, so it's pretty popular. It's just food and drinks, but still, it's kind of fun to come up here. We got Langos over here. And every single stand is selling Glühwein. Like this one's selling Belgian waffles. That sounds yummy on a nice cold night, like tonight, because it is cold. Pretty tree. Now they do have a building over here where you can rent it for your private parties. Let's go up here and see what they have. They've got raclette over here. Do you know what raclette is? It is melted cheese. Hi, Santa.
Schönen Abend.
Abend. Wo ist das Raclette? Ach so, da hinten. Aha. Das riecht sehr gut.
Ist sehr gut, ja?
Ja. Ich komme später, aber heute Abend nicht, aber danke.
Gerne.
Ja, Pizza. Yeah, they've got geile Glühwein. So back here they have, this is like for closed events, private events. A little bit warmer than being outside here. Let's come around over here. You can see inside the hut. Out here with this big moose out in front. It's all glittery. You can peek through the window here. Doesn't that look cozy for private parties? Yay! So thanks for joining me, and I hope you enjoy your time here at the City Beach, Christmas market.